Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Leos. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So you can stay tuned for that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Six of Swords in reverse, Seven of Pentacles in reverse and Wheel of Fortune in reverse. So in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship today, you have achieved certain things for yourself. You are happy about it, happy about the success or how things went for you. So it may be regarding some choices or path you have taken in your work, or it may be some positive progress you had in your personal life. You are happy for it and you are waiting for the next opportunity or the next choice or how things will unfold for you in your situation, guys. Maybe for some of you, you are expecting certain things, certain offers or opportunities coming your way, and there are opportunities coming your way, guys, but you are waiting to make the right choice. So you are waiting for the right thing to do today in your situation, let it be in your work or your personal life. So you want to do things in the right way, so you are waiting, maybe thinking about it, and you are getting extraordinary opportunities in work and even in your, maybe if you are single, you have people interested in you. They want to come towards you and they are seeing you as a very talented and interesting person, and they want to be in connection with you. So you may have people coming to propose to you, guys, maybe, and there is someone really interesting. Maybe even you like this person and this person is coming to propose to you. So there is a possibility for that also, a new proposal, a new love proposal from someone interesting for both of you. So you would have liked this person already, but you were you were not ready to approach them, but they are coming by themselves approaching you. So some kind of positive things are unfolding in your situation, and even in your career you are getting unexpected offers and opportunities, and you are thinking clearly and proceeding in a right way today. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. So we have 10 of Pentacles. So you are really happy, you have that emotional contentment and joy today. You are happy with the way things are going in your situation today, guys, Leos. Maybe if you are already in a connection, you are really happy to be with this person. You love their company and you have mutual understanding, love, respect, caring for each other. But if you are single, we saw with the previous cards already that you have someone interesting coming towards you with a proposal. So some positive progress is what I see, positive changes or positive things unfolding in your relationship, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is King of Cups. So in your career situation, Leos, you are someone who is really skilled, talented and dedicated. That is the most important thing. You are really responsible. So if you take up something, you have a huge sense of responsibility and you see to it till the end. So that is what is making you a really successful person today in your career, guys, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will come up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards today. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So if you have any doubts or confusions in your mind, you can think about it, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card, it's from nothing to everything. So that is the card for y'all, guys. So with this card, it just means that today in your situation, in order to receive something fresh, new and something great for you, something much better than your dreams or fantasies, you need to let go, maybe become empty. So we need space to receive something that is coming in our life, guys. This may mean letting go of the attachment you have towards your person in order to receive that genuine love that is coming towards you. And maybe you are holding on to your fantasy about a dream job, but today for that most soulful, passionate and successful occasion, you have to accept some guidance in your life today, guys. It just means that you need to take one day at a time, guys. Live one day at a time and maybe surrender the fantasy, dream or a story, whatever we have for ourselves, because reality is knocking at our door, and with the delivery of what we have been fantasizing about, but in the best way for us. So what is the best? It will be better than our dreams or fantasies. So that is what is coming towards us. And maybe the dying of this dream or fantasy is really stressing us. It may be really painful, giving us a lot of grief. But dying to that attachment or the opinions we have, that is what is happening, and this is the time we can stop dreaming and start living. So that is what is unfolding in our life today, and we should not fear this process that is happening and embrace this process without expectation for future, and have trust in your heart that divine energy or God or universe, whatever you call it, is simply guiding you from fantasy into fulfillment, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what is the card. It says withdraw. So with this card, guys, in your situation, it just means that we need to see things differently. So maybe we need time alone, maybe. So withdrawing does not mean breakup or trying to avoid that situation. It just means that we need a temporary disengagement from that circumstance in order to get clarity. So, when we have time alone, that rest gives us time for a better clarity in our situation and inner wisdom to discern all facts. So, you need to be really what to say, if you want to be really clear about the way things are in your life and see things as it is for what it is in truth, you have to see it with a different perspective, see it as a third person. Only then you will be able to see your situation without being judgmental. Just observe your situation, allow thoughts to flow, and you will know what is the right thing or what is the right way to handle your situation, and you will have that guidance in your heart and insight into your circumstance, guys. So whatever problems you are facing today in this relationship, you need, if you want that inner wisdom, you have to take time to think alone, guys. So get that clarity. So that is the energy with this angel guidance card here for you all, for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.